Hey, Rembo here, and welcome to my channel. Today is actually going to be a great day for all of the subscribers, or at least one of the subscribers, but everyone has a chance. So today is going to be a giveaway, and I'm going to be giving away this dual track by MotoHorn. They gave this to me for free. I can't fit it on the Multistrada. I won't be able to fit it on any other bike that I have. Therefore, because it takes two and it's a little bit more room, so it's really made for more like a naked bike or a cruiser or so on and so forth, unless you can find a place to hide it. But I really don't have any space for it, so I'm gonna give it away. The reason why they gave it to me was because I allowed them to use one of my videos where I had a close call and a horn would have come in handy. So this is what I'm going to give away. Now, in order for you to win this, a couple things have to happen. Number one, I'm going to be announcing it in a couple of weeks in another video. I don't know which video, so stay tuned and you'll see it. The second thing is you have to comment on this video, comment below, make a comment about this video, and you have to be a subscriber. So if you are a subscriber and you comment below, you have a chance to win. I've done this before. I put it in a random drawing. There's a website that I use for that, and it'll work perfectly fine, and hopefully we'll pick someone. Now, here's the other thing, because I had problems with this in the past, okay? When I pick a winner and I announce it on another video, it's up to you to contact me. If you go to my About page on my YouTube channel here, you will find my email address. So you can send it to my email address. Once I say that you win, you can contact me, give me we'll go back and forth to make sure it's you. I will then send this out to you right here. Again, this is a dual track by MotoHorn. I got this, I don't need it. Rather than sell it on eBay, I don't want to do that. I want to give it away to someone that's a subscriber who comments below. Just show my appreciation. That's just more important to me. Now, there is a video about this MotoHorn. I did install, not both of them, but I installed one of them on my Ducati Multistrada V4S, and it made a significant difference just with one of them. So if you put the two of them in tandem with the different hertz that they're running, this one says it's about 120 to 130 decibels here. And I absolutely believe that, because this thing is loud with just one, significantly better than what came with the stock Ducati Multistrada V4S. The one from the factory, lackluster at best. This one, a little modification. You'll see it in the video, but we did it. So anyway, giveaway today. Appreciate everyone being here a lot. So I'm going to give someone an opportunity to win this. I will ship it out to you. You have to reach out to me. Usually I give you about a week to reach out to me after I release the video. So like, subscribe, ring that bell so that you get notified when I have a video coming out. Watch the video. If during the video I say that you're the winner, winner, chicken dinner, then you can reach out to me and we will then verify that it's you. Anyway, this is Rembo. Please like, subscribe. I appreciate it. Today's giveaway. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.